Welcome to Spiel, a revolutionary personal financial management firm led by Ankit Irwin Jain, a wealth manager having a decade of experience in financial markets. Introducing Spiel First, empowering individuals attain financial abundance through innovative financial solutions. At Spiel, we ensure each of our team members practice the following core values while dealing with customers, which is be 24/7 accessible, stay transparent and informative, and try to be innovative while solving a problem. Now, let's see who we are and what is Spiel First. Imagine a world where insurance, investments, loans, and more coexist harmoniously. We are here to make that a reality. With us, managing your money is like having a trusted financial partner by your side. No more juggling multiple platforms. No more financial stress. Just simple, smart solutions tailored to your needs. Let's build a brighter financial future together. Because your success is our success. Let's grow together. At Spiel, we empower you. Get the feeling of taking control and achieving financial security with financial planning. In financial planning, we do risk analysis to evaluate an individual's risk-taking capacity. Second is cash flow analysis. Here our experts try to evaluate one's outflows and inflows. Third is goal planning, aligning and mapping all your financial goals to the relevant financial instruments. And lastly, human life value to evaluate the risk and ensure finances are well covered. At Spiel, we elevate your finances by offering you a one-stop financial solution through our various platforms, like Insure, which represents insurance solutions, Invest representing investment solutions, Trade as trading platform, Borrow as loan assistance and arrangement platform, Assess as tax planning, assessment and filing platform, and Inherit representing estate planning and will making. Now let's delve into what Insure as an insurance platform has to offer us. It covers life insurance, health and allied insurance, vehicle insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, and other insurance solutions like cyber insurance, wallet insurance, extended warranties, and devices insurance. Invest avails you an opportunity to invest in various asset classes like bank and NBFC fixed deposits, sovereign gold bonds, public issue of bonds and debentures, RBI floating rate bonds, mutual funds, P2P investments, invoice discounting, stocks and ETF baskets, IPOs, NPS, structured notes, pre-IPO and unlisted shares. Trade, a platform exclusively developed for traders and speculators. One can use our platform to trade in stocks, ETFs, future and options, commodities and currency through exchanges like NSE, BSE, MCX and NCDEX at an extremely reasonable cost of 20 rupees per order. Then we have Borrow, a platform for loan assistance and arrangement. Be it personal loans, home loans, vehicle loans, education loans, loan against property, shares, mutual funds, or bonds, or debentures, and gold loans also, you just have to connect with your Spiel's relationship manager, and the assistance is at your doorstep. Assess is a platform which offers you a host of tax-related services like PAN card creation, HUF formation, income tax return filing, financial documents preparations, and tax planning. And lastly, Inherit, a platform which ensures a smooth transmission of your assets to your wishful heir by efficient estate planning and will making. We not only offer solutions across various financial instruments but also help you in executing the relevant procedures. We also converge, that is, we provide you a centralized system to track all your financial instruments in real time and under one roof. At Spiel, we run various educational initiatives like financial literacy programs at various gatherings, societies, and corporates. We also have our own educational platform where we connect our investors with industry experts to encourage first-hand information about the new and innovative financial instruments. Our founder, Mr. Ankit, has also written a book, The Rule Book of Wealth, which speaks about various financial ratios which can be used in your personal finance budgeting. We are loved by our clients. You can check out our Google page to check reviews from our clients. Here are some. You will find various articles on Spiel Wealth at various renowned journals and blogs like Free Press Journal, Ahmedabad Mirror, Daily Hunt, and more. Let me now introduce you to our founder, Mr. Ankit Arvind Jain, a wealth manager, a TED speaker, a financial author, and an innovator. He is highly celebrated for his innovative strategies and solutions in the field of finance, guiding individuals towards financial success and security. We now invite you to schedule a short meeting with us to devise a suitable financial strategy that ensures you a seamless fiscal journey.